If you're starting out your data science journey, opening up Python for the first time can feel so overwhelming. There are thousands of libraries out there, and everyone is telling you learn something different. But here is the truth: you don't need to know everything, like I always say. In fact, building an end to end data science workflow, you only need to master three core libraries. I call them the three package. Today, I'm going to break down what they are, why you need them, and how they connect. Welcome to Future Skills Diary, your tech TV for learning struggles, motivation, and tech tips. The first library you have to import in your IDE is Pandas. Pandas is known to be the powerful data cleaner. Think of Pandas as Excel on steroids. In the real world, we all know that data is messy, missing values, wrong format, inconsistency, duplicate rows. Pandas is easy peasy for data cleaning. It lets you load data, filter it, clean it, and you perform your EDA, your exploratory data analysis easily. You clean your data with Pandas, your data with Pandas library. You can't do data science. Spend your first few weeks mastering how to group data, handle missing values, and merge different files together using Pandas. The next pillar is NumPy, otherwise known as the math engine. NumPy stands for numerical Python. You might not want to write NumPy code as often as Pandas. NumPy is the fundamental engine running under the hood of almost every data tools. Import NumPy as NP. So NumPy introduces arrays which allow Python to perform fast mathematical calculation on massive data sets. Whether you're normalizing data or performing matrix operations, NumPy will make sure that your computer does not crash when handling millions of data points. So download the NumPy library if you haven't. The third pillar, scikit-learn, the machine learning muscle. Once your data is cleaned by Pandas, processed numerically by NumPy, it's time for the fun part, predictive modeling. This is where scikit-learn comes in. Scikit-learn is the automatic library for machine learning in Python. It contains inbuilt tools for regression, classification, clustering, splitting your data into training and testing tests. You get. So instead of you writing complex algorithm from scratch, scikit-learn helps you build and deploy machine learning models with just few lines of code. So here is the good part. Mastering these three libraries takes you from beginner to someone who can handle a complete data science project from scratch. But knowing the libraries is only half the battle. You actually know how and when to apply them. Don't forget Pandas for data cleaning, NumPy for numerical calculation, and scikit-learn for predictive modeling. Join me in the next one. Kindly hit the subscribe button, engage, and follow. I'll see you in the next one.